Okay, so I'm gonna start on the project in Tableau. I got it from here, and now we're downloading the thing. That's the challenge. Let's get this out the way. Let me bring out the sheet right here. Let's take a look at the sheet. First thing you want to do is see what's going on with the sheets, right? So it looks like it's already started out pretty good. Don't think I'm gonna have a lot of problems fixing this. Okay, and financials. Okay, you're missing. There are some missing file information here. This might be actually a pretty good sheet for SQL analysis too. All right, we'll just leave it as is. It's good. Looks like ID. They have ID in both. Yep, we got ID. I guess you can join by ID or a name. Looks like. Let's make sure that IDs line up. So we got overhex. Okay. Overhex. Okay, looks like it's the same ID on both. So I'm just gonna first thing I'm gonna do, let's get this situated. Let's get it going. And let's see. Ooh, what is going on here? That's not pretty looking. Ooh, ooh. Actually, I think I might have to save it in different. Let's back up. Enable editing. I think I know why it's happening. And then we'll save it as man. Let's see, save as. Let's do this one. We'll just put this one so it doesn't override the old one. Okay. That is not gonna work. This? Okay. Well, it's always problems. Let's see if we can see it maybe. All files. No, it's still over here. Maybe I can do it the other way. Let's see. Let's see if I can just Can I just drop it? We'll do it like this. I guess it works like that. Okay. Okay, we'll join on ID. Can I have ID over here too? ID. What? That's not exactly how I want to do this. Okay, let me back up. Okay, so we'll do like this. Here we go. That's what I want right here. Inner join. Okay. There's always problems to be solved in these. ID. Okay, I think that's good. I could be more specific and join on a name as well. Should I? Yeah, it'll be fine. ID is good. Okay, I think I'll leave this video at this, and on the next one we'll go ahead and continue.